Right, I'm just making this quick video to tell you about my plans for my channel and what I'm actually going to be doing. I'll bring you up to date on the music channel that I've been building, but also I've started a new channel. And over the last 6 or 8 months, I've actually started a few different channels. Got quite good at it, actually creating channels, but um, I've not really done anything specific with any individual one. I've not monetized them. I've not actually concentrated on any individual topic. But this one, I've decided that I'm actually going to put some effort into it and stick at it and start uploading on a regular basis, because this is something that interests me, and I think that it's a good way to actually get advice across to people, and it seems to be quite popular. I mean, I'm going to be showing you literally how to build the channel, how to create the videos, every aspect right from the start, from the getting the idea for the video to scripting the video, creating the actually creating the script and the production schedule, working out the timeline, what the different components to use, how to actually record the different components. And if I actually show you here, if I go to this video,
often pushed to the back of our minds. The idea that one day we might find ourselves truly alone.
you can see that basically this is an AI generated person talking with an AI generated voice. However, she looks very pleasant. Her voice is actually linked to her lip movements, and it's actually a very good situation. If we scroll through, you can see that I actually do various different clips throughout the video.
Before we get into the heart of this,
So
I want this channel to be a community.
I'll show you how to create all of these different aspects, and let's see what else we have here. So yeah, there's a pan around the room, leaves falling. Oh, that was a time-lapse one. That was quite interesting.
Their own divorces, or perhaps they're struggling with their own children. It's not that.
So I'm going to show you how to create all of these different effects. Then we've got the same lady from a different angle talking. All the time she's doing a voiceover through the B-roll. And then we have like another thing where she's actually typing. And then, yeah, that's quite nice. So pan from the still image round to her garden. Then a street scene. Yeah, some various different things. Candles flickering. Different people talking. Back to the lady. And then another view of her garden. And then finish on some ducks in a lake. So this this whole video, it's only a 5-minute video, but it's actually quite a lot of work involved and a few different apps to use to actually create the content and some skills to learn. So I'm going to teach you how to do all of these things. This is a perfect channel to do it because it's these type of videos incorporate very many different aspects of the thing. I'll also go into the video editing, how to join all the bits together and upload it and everything else. So if you want to follow along, that would be great. Subscribe to the channel. I'm probably going to be putting out these videos with the tutorials quite frequently over the next few weeks, and hopefully get new videos uploaded maybe once a week on the actual channel itself. So anyway, that's just what I'm going to be doing. Just thought I'd let you know, and we'll take it from there. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.